Stanley cup. I've been looking for these cups for a while now, and this is the Travel Quencher. As you see, it's a 40-ounce cup with the reusable straw, and yeah, the ombre. These are on trend now. I absolutely love Stanley cups. Love them, love them, love them. If you could get your hands on one, I highly recommend it. I just love Stanley cups, y'all. These are super duper hard to find. Oh my goodness, and they ain't cheap either, to be honest. And as you do see, it says 11 hours cold, 2 days iced, 7 hours hot. So this is amazing. Now, I normally use a bubble cup. Those bubble cups, I think you could buy them from Walmart, but I got mine from Target at the time. Those bubba tumblers or jugs. Another thing I forgot to mention, that it do have a lifetime warranty. So if anything go wrong, you can send a cup back to the company and they will replace it, or I guess probably give you a credit. And it is dishwasher safe. So yes, that's a good thing. I don't even know if y'all can see that. Okay, there we go. So yes, dishwasher safe, double walled, screw top, which is the top part. You have the straw part, and then on this side is more like if you want to just put the cup up to your mouth. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna try my Stanley cup out today. This is the Stanley Travel Quencher. Here we go. And it claims to do, this cup claims 11 hours cold, 2 days iced, 7 hours hot. We're gonna test all that. So this is what the cup looked like. I just washed it out. This is the lid. It has where you can put the straw, or it has like the little mouth part where you can kind of drink from it. Yeah, or you can just drink regular. Okay, this is the straw, the normal straw, and this is just your standard straw. As you see, the size difference. I personally like to use these straws because of where I sit my cup at. This straw will get destroyed, so that's the reason why I do the disposable ones, because it can kind of bend. And as you see, it just peeks out just a little bit, and that's all I really need. So yeah, I'm gonna put some ice in it and we're gonna see. I did strawberry lemonade. That was the whole jug because I didn't have much. So it's not necessarily full, but that's not a big deal for me because it's not super hot outside. So we'll see in a little bit what happens, if the ice is gonna melt or what. So okay, I'm back home. As y'all do see, it's 6:30. Let's see what the ice looked like. Wow, it's still a lot of ice left in the cup. So we're gonna come back. I'm gonna keep this going. All right, I'll be back in a little bit. So this is after six and a half hours, and everything is super cold. I'll give it to them. Super cold. No problem with putting this inside of my cup holder in my car. I don't have to worry about that. Okay, y'all, I'm doing the video on my Stanley cup. As y'all do see, this is probably a couple of weeks later after all those clips that y'all just seen, but the rest of the clips was deleted, so I gotta do the rest of it right now. This Stanley cup is amazing. I truly love it, and your ice most definitely lasts 2 days in this cup. Amazing cup. I have not tried this cup using a hot liquid yet, because I mainly bought this cup for my cold beverages, to drink water, to drink juice, not necessarily coffee, because I have a coffee tumbler, so I don't really need it for that. I just need something to keep my ice frozen and my drink cold. So that was my whole reason for buying this Stanley cup. I absolutely love the color of the cup, even though I'm still looking for that Tiffany blue or that mint color blue. I really want that one, but it's been sold out, and I have not been into any of the Targets that actually sell these cups, so I haven't been able to find that one yet. These cups retail for $40, and as I did say, it do keep your ice cold. As y'all seen, I normally fill my cup up at 1 o'clock, and I usually don't get home till about 6 o'clock. When I tell you the ice has not melted and my drink is super duper cold right now, the cup is full. It's super full. I don't know if y'all gonna see that or not, but the cup is full with ice and juice. The only thing that I don't like about the cup is the fact that you can't tilt it like I was just trying to do, because this hole, you know, it's a hole in the lid, so it will spill. Another thing that I don't like about the cup, it's heavy. This has to be at least 1 or 2 pounds when you're carrying. When it's totally full with ice and liquid, it's heavy. That's the only two things that I don't like about the cup. The fact that it's heavy and the fact that, you know, it's a permanent hole in here. I haven't had any problems with it like leaking out the sides or anything. If it's gonna leak, it's gonna leak from this hole. So yeah, and as I did show y'all, I always use a disposable straw, because I actually put my cup in a little cubby hole on the bus, and the straws always bend. So I don't do that. I don't use those type of straws anymore. I highly recommend this cup. If you come across this cup, I highly recommend you buy it. It is $40. It is on the expensive side, but if you're like me and you love your beverage super cold, then yes, I do recommend this. Yes, they do have cheaper versions of this cup. I think the Refuel brand at Target is comparable, or is the dupe to this Stanley cup. A lot of people say that. I have not tried that brand. I think it's called Refuel. I'll post a picture so I could let y'all see exactly the brand that I'm talking about. But they do say those are dupes of this cup. They work the same. They hold your ice just as long, and they are very cheap. I think they're only like $20 for this exact same size. They look very similar. It's just that, as you see, the handle on this one is a closed handle. I think on that one it's open right here, so it's just the top and then it comes down. So yeah, but I highly recommend it. If you like trendy cups, if you love Starbucks cup, I'm sure you will love this, because this is a trending cup right now. Everybody is trying to find these cups. If you are looking for these cups, don't give up. Just try your Target. I mean, if you want to pay the little upcharge, I'm sure Macquarie have them, Poshmark, eBay, all of those resale sites probably will have this cup, probably about $100, maybe like $80. Just put it like this, it'll be double in price. So if you go to one of those resale spots, more than likely it will be doubled in price. So yeah, I'm happy I was able to find mine at Target. I'm crossing my fingers and hoping that I do find the one that I do want, that teal color one. When I got this one, it was the only one in the store, so I had to get what I could get. They did have the other ones, but like the jug style, I didn't want that. I really wanted this. So yeah, leave in the comments, let me know, have you tried the Stanley tumblers or Stanley cups yet? Have you jumped on this whole trend, this whole Stanley cup trend, or are you still buying Starbucks cups? I like Starbucks cups, don't get me wrong. Starbucks cups is amazing, but when it comes to being out in hot weather and you need a super cold beverage and you need your ice to stay in your cup and not melt, this is the way to go. I love Starbucks cup, but Starbucks cups, they don't hold the ice like I need it to hold. It's 90 degrees. It's gonna be 90 degrees. Well, it's 82 right now, but on that bus it's at least 10 degrees hotter. So I need my cold beverage, and that's what this Stanley cup do for me. It gives me my cold beverage. I don't have to worry about my ice melting or any of that. Y'all know I just did a video on the circle tumblers. Amazing tumbler. Yeah. Only downside of it is that your ice melt. I don't like that. I need a cup that's gonna make my ice last at least 6 hours, and that's this, or a Bubba cup. I have never did a video on the Bubba cups or the Bubba tumblers. Amazing. Literally hold your ice for 2 or maybe 3 days. I'm just saying. And I got a lot of Bubba tumblers or jugs. I have a lot of them because that's what I was using before I found this little beautiful thing. So yeah, that's my take on this. I highly recommend it. If you're willing to pay that $40 price point, then yes, I do highly recommend it. For me, this is a necessity. This is something that I absolutely have to have because this is an item that I will use every single day at work. So yeah, so that's the reason why it wasn't a big deal for me to pay the $40, because it's cute and it holds my ice and keep my beverage cold. I know I'm rambling, but leave in the comments, let me know, have you jumped on this whole Stanley cup trend? Leave that at the bottom, and then I guess I'll see y'all in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave your girl comments, follow me on all of my social media platforms, hit the notification bell, and I will see y'all in the next one. The next one. The next one. All right. Peace.